Understanding, shout in frustration. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, shout in frustration. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you express emotions more accurately in English. Let's explore what it means, when to use it, and how it can enhance your communication skills. Shouting in frustration refers to the act of raising your voice or yelling because you are feeling upset, annoyed, or angry due to something that has not gone as planned or because of repeated failures. This expression vividly captures the emotional state of being frustrated to the point where you can't help but vocalize it loudly. It's a natural response to situations that feel beyond our control or when our patience is tested to its limits. You can use this phrase in various contexts, both formal and informal, to describe someone's reaction to frustration. Here are a few examples. In personal stories, I shouted in frustration when I couldn't open the jar, even after trying for several minutes. In literature or writing, describing a character's reaction, he shouted in frustration as the keys slipped from his hands again. In everyday conversations, sharing experiences with friends, she shouted in frustration when the computer crashed, losing all her work. It's important to note that while this phrase effectively communicates a strong emotional response, shouting in real life, especially in professional settings, is generally not advised. This phrase is more about expressing feelings rather than encouraging the act of shouting. Understanding and using expressions like shout in frustration enhances our ability to convey emotions accurately in English. It shows the richness of the language in reflecting human feelings and experiences. By using such phrases, we can make our communication more vivid and relatable, helping others understand our emotions or the emotions of characters in stories. I hope this video helps you understand what it means to shout in frustration, and how you can use this phrase to express emotions vividly in English. Remember, learning how to articulate your feelings is a crucial part of mastering any language. Keep exploring and using new expressions to enrich your English communication. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.